Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Marui Scar H. This has come in for some upgrades, and we have done the upgraded power spring. We've done which is the M95 Plus in this case with one power spacer. We've also got the Prometheus bearings. That wasn't on the specification or the request, but Andy was really struggling with the original plastic bushings, and obviously we know that they potentially break over time anyway, so I was like, no, this is, like I say, if it's taking extra long, if it's taking too long and it's been a pain in the ass to shim, ditch them, stick some primary bushings in there, and job done, you know what I mean? So we'll rock and roll from there. So they're upgraded. We've also got the Psionic R hop. We've got the Prometheus tightbore barrel, which is 300mm on this one, and we've got a gate basic front wired edition. Remember, guys, it's front wired on the Scars. It goes forward to go backwards. Yep. So and we always obviously recommend copying the original Marui wiring, and we've got the 270 on 3.2s and 359 on 2s, so obviously a really good FPS there, yeah, we just wanted to demonstrate it working. Technically the second test, because it failed the first video because a motor wire dropped off the motor. So that is the whole point of these tests, is to stress these things. I know obviously I haven't shown you it failing, but I say, take my word for it, I say it did happen, and sometimes guns go wrong when we go to test them. That's why we test them. So the whole point of doing this is, like I say, I know it looks great and stuff on the videos and people enjoy watching them, but technically these have a purpose. They force us to make sure that we test this before it goes into a box and gets posted out, you know. So it's you can't avoid it. It has to be done. Test as many features as we can. Obviously the biggest and best test is ultimately playing with these guns, taking them out and rolling around with them, triple barrel flips and stuff, and seeing if the gun still works afterwards. But this is the best we can do. So but yeah, I'll just demonstrate it's working. Might even put some ammo in it. An MP5 failed testing this week with jammed on heavier ammo, but didn't jam on the lighter ammos. So that's been an interesting one to diagnose. But again, it just goes to prove that test on the ammo that you're going to use. Don't test on the ammo that isn't the ammo that you're going to use, because obviously it's not accurate testing results. You need to be testing it as if the customer is going to be using it game day, you know, to rule out every problem. Unfortunately, 3.2s you guys do. There we go, so all tested, and there you go, all tested. So any problems, let us know, but otherwise we hope you have loads of fun with it, and yeah, cool, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.